Let me ask you a question. Would you rather sink with a submarine or lose the wings of an airplane mid-flight? Not what you expected, but that's often how an ERP project feels once you're in it. Every CIO and CFO involved in an ERP, data, or AI initiative carries the same quiet fear. What if we realize we made the wrong decision after millions are already spent? On paper, projects look fine. Timelines are approved, budgets signed, status stays green. In reality, many end up with systems that don't match how the business runs, data no one fully trusts, AI initiatives with no real value, and teams left holding the bag after consultants exit. The real risk isn't the ERP software. It's discovering too late that critical decisions were based on incomplete requirements, bad assumptions, or misaligned data. ERP is not optional. It remains the operational backbone of the business, no matter how many new tools, platforms, or AI capabilities surround it. When ERP is weak, data problems multiply. AI accelerates bad decisions. Operational chaos increases. When ERP is grounded in reality, data becomes reliable and AI becomes practical. Technology investments support the business instead of disrupting it. Poor ERP decisions and execution are the real problems, not the ERP itself. Identify your ERP situation, needing a new ERP off-track projects or maintaining an existing system. Every organization we work with fits into one of three ERP situations. Each scenario comes with unique risks and requires different decisions. Perhaps you need a new ERP. Your current system can no longer support the business. You may have outgrown your current systems or be facing operational bottlenecks. Maybe you are preparing for growth, acquisition, or regulatory pressure. The risk: choosing the wrong ERP or the wrong implementation approach and realizing it only after years of sunk cost. What we help you with: clarify real business requirements, align data realities with future state goals, independently evaluate ERP options without vendor bias, help executives like you to understand trade-offs before decisions are locked in. Our role is not to sell software. Our role is to reduce the risk of irreversible decisions. You already selected an ERP, but something isn't working. You may be experiencing scope creep and unclear priorities. Or maybe you are experiencing data migration issues, perhaps some resource strain on internal teams, or even growing disconnect between system design and business reality. The risk: pushing forward simply because we're too far in, while costs, frustration, and operational exposure continue to grow. What we can help with is to provide independent project reality checks, identify where decisions, not technology, went wrong, realign requirements, data, and execution approach, support executives in making course corrections with confidence. We help stabilize ERP initiatives before failure becomes inevitable. Replacing ERP isn't always possible. You may be running aging or heavily customized systems, lacking budget or appetite for a full replacement, trying to buy time while keeping the business running. The risk: layering AI or new tools on top of broken processes and bad data, making problems worse, faster. What we help with is to maximize your current investment to help organizations get more life out of existing ERP safely, address data quality issues that undermine reporting and automation, apply AI only where it reduces risk and not where it amplifies chaos, support controlled improvements without destabilizing operations. This is not transformation. It is practical survival with guardrails. See it more like insurance policy. HandsFree ERP operates as an extension of your executive team. We don't replace your ERP partner. We don't sell software. We don't bring buzzwords. We bring to you independent perspective, deep ERP experience, practical decision frameworks, risk-focused advisory. Our goal is simple: help you make ERP decisions you won't regret later. HandsFree ERP is ERP first, no hype. Everything we do is driving toward ERP success. We use plain business language, not tech jargon. We provide independent guidance, not driven by vendor agendas. We are focused on outcomes executives care about: stability, credibility, and risk reduction. ERP success starts here.